What's up, everybody? Dan Greer, Eclipse DOT, coming at you today to chat all about, what should we talk about? Oh, we were talking about commercial vehicles. That's what we were talking about. And like non-CDL commercial vehicles. So we talked about what makes a CDL vehicle not too long ago. Let's talk a little bit about commercial vehicles. Anything rated over 10,000 pounds that crosses state lines is the federal definition of a commercial vehicle, as long as it's used for commerce. Now, they put a lot more words in there, and they make it sound a lot more complicated than that, but that's just like the simplified version of it, okay? As long as you're utilizing the vehicle to try to make money, and it's rated, not actually weighs, but rated over 10,000 pounds, that's a commercial vehicle, okay? Now, if you got a commercial vehicle, there's a few things you got to have. You got to have like a driver file. Drivers have to have DOT medical cards, and you got to have DOT number, and you got to have the right insurance. And you just got to have so much liability, right? Is what it is, federal minimums. And then you got to have like safety stuff on the truck, that kind of stuff. You got to abide by hours of service. You got to do all that stuff, okay? So that's a commercial vehicle, all right? Now, keep in mind that some states, like the state of Texas, is a 26,000-pound state. Now, that means that if you're in Texas and you're operating in intrastate commerce, that means you're not leaving the state of Texas. You're not transporting goods that are crossing state lines. You're not engaging in interstate commerce by any means at all. Then you're actually not a commercial vehicle until you hit 26,000 pounds. So whenever a CDL is required, that's when you become a commercial vehicle. But now if I'm going to make a trip from Texas to Louisiana, okay, let's say I'm going from East Texas, Carthage, Texas, to Shreveport, Louisiana. Okay, pretty easy trip, a couple hours away from each other, if that. And I'm taking my one-ton pickup across those state lines. That one-ton pickup, even though Louisiana is a 26,000-pound state and Texas is a 26,000-pound state, and if I was operating in intrastate commerce within each one of those states, Louisiana or Texas, and I wasn't crossing state lines, I wouldn't be a commercial vehicle. Well, because I'm crossing state lines, I now follow their federal regulations. And that means that same one-ton pickup used for commerce to make money with is now a commercial vehicle. It's required to have a DOT number. I'm required to have a driver file. I'm required to have a med card, all that stuff, okay? So that's a commercial vehicle. That's what it's at. Some states are different. I can get you all a list of all the states. If you're interested in that list, hit me up in the comments and I'll give it to you. Of the 10,000-pound states, there's 3 states that are unique: Colorado, Connecticut, Pennsylvania. And then there's also everything else is like 26,000-pound state. And then there's some states that have funky rules, but we'll go over those later, okay? So that's a commercial vehicle. Hope you guys get it. Ciao, you later. Bye.